The 2025 C40 World Mayor Summit was held in Dash. The answer for this question is Rio de Janeiro. C40 World Mayor Summit held in Rio de Janeiro. C40 cities is a global network of major cities working mainly on. The answer for this question is C40 cities globally network major cities working mainly on climate action. The ISSF World Championship Rifle Pistol 2025 took place in which city? The answer for this question is Cairo. The Ministry of Defense declared which year as an year of reforms? The answer for this question is 2025 declared the year of reforms. The year of reforms 2025 initiative primarily focuses on. The answer for this question is it focuses on transforming the armed forces. Which ministry launched the year of reforms 2025 initiative? The answer for this question is Ministry of Defense. Which of the following is a pairs of both marine fish? The answer for this question is Ilsa and Pomfret. These are marine fishes. Which of the following are freshwater fishes? The answer for this question is rohu and katla. These are the freshwater fishes. Which organelle is known as the powerhouse of the cell? The answer for this question is mitochondrion is known as the powerhouse of the cell. ATP stands for. The answer for this question is ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Which cell organelle generates ATP? The answer for this question is mitochondria generates ATP. Which gas is produced when sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid? The answer for this question is when sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid, it produces carbon dioxide gas. Sodium carbonate reacts with HCl to form. The answer for this question is NaCl, sodium chloride, carbon dioxide and H2O. What observation is commonly seen when sodium carbonate reacts with hydrochloric acid? The answer for this question is effervescence due to CO2 gas. What is the main product of the anaerobic respiration in animals? The answer for this question is the main product of the anaerobic respiration animal is lactic acid. Anaerobic respiration in animals usually occurs when? The answer for this question is muscle cells face oxygen shortage. Which of the following is produced with only small amounts of during anaerobic respiration? The answer for this question is carbon dioxide. The answer for this question is ATP, adenosine triphosphate is in small amount. The buildup of lactic acid in muscles is causes. The answer for this question is muscle fatigue and cramps. Which environmental factor is critical for the TST sexually transmitted detection in reptiles? The answer for this question is incubation temperature. The reactivity series are arranged metals in order of dash. The answer for this question is decreasing reactivity. The reactivity series arrangement in metals in orders of decreasing reactivity. The approximate atomic mass of the carbon 13 is. The answer for this question is the approximate atomic mass of the carbon 30 is 13 AMU, 13 atomic mass unit. Isotopes are element of difference in the number of neutrons. Isotope of an element differs in the number of neutrons. The SC/ST Amendment Bill 2022 is related to which Indian state? The answer for this question is Uttar Pradesh. When an object falls from height, its gravitational potential is converted into. The answer for this question is it converted into kinetic energy. And an object falls, its potential energy. The answer for this question is decreases. If thrust force is constant and area decreases, then pressure also increases. What is the SI unit of pressure? The answer for this question is Pascal is the SI unit of pressure. Which of the following is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? The answer for this question is propene is the unsaturated hydrocarbon because it contains double bond. Methane, propane and butane are called saturated hydrocarbons because they have only single carbon-carbon bonds. Propene contains which type of bond between carbon atoms? The answer for this question is propene contains double bond between carbon atoms. In the Cartesian sign convection, distance are measured from. The answer for this question is from the pole of the mirror or optical center of the lens. Which organization launched UPI globally? The answer for this question is NPCI, International Payments Limited, NIPL. Which state ranked first in India Justice Report 2025 for overall justice delivery? The answer for this question is Karnataka state ranked first in the Indian Justice Report 2025. Which of the following organizations jointly released as a Global Hunger Index GHI? The answer for this question is Concern Worldwide and Venture Life IFHP. These are the key answer analysis of the RRB Group D examination December 4 first shift analysis. Thank you for watching.